Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 information source for weight loss, health and wellness insights. Today, we're going deep into the world of slow metabolism and uncovering the best strategies to rev up your body's engine for optimal weight, energy and vitality. If you've been feeling sluggish, struggling with weight management, or experiencing a lack of progress in your fitness goals, it's time to give your metabolism a reset, like a video game console. So, come and join us as we explore the science behind your metabolism, bust common myths, and unveil expert-backed strategies to fix a slow metabolism once and for all. Get ready to ignite your metabolic furnace and unleash your full energy potential. But first, let's start with some basic knowledge on the understanding of your metabolism, so we can smoothly dive into the solutions. Let's start by understanding what metabolism means and how it is affected by different factors. The metabolism basics. Metabolism refers to the processes by which your body converts the foods and drinks that you consume into energy to sustain your life. It involves a huge number of biochemical reactions that occur in your cells to break down nutrients, release energy, and support the essential human functions such as breathing, circulation, cellular and DNA repair. Your metabolic rate. The metabolic rate is the rate at which your body burns calories to maintain basic bodily functions at rest. In other words, the calories you burn while you are doing nothing. It's influenced by factors such as your age, gender, body composition, genetics, and physical activity level. The factors affecting your metabolism. While some factors affecting metabolism, such as age and genetics, are far beyond your control, other elements such as diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices can be altered and improved to optimize the metabolic function of your body. Now that you know what the basics are, it's our turn to destroy some of the most common myths surrounding your metabolism, just before we go deep digging into the solutions for slow metabolism. Metabolism myth number 1. Metabolism slows down with age. While it is true that your metabolic rate tends to decrease with your age due to the changes in muscle mass and hormone levels, lifestyle factors such as a healthy diet and exercise play a massively significant role in maintaining an elevated rate in your metabolic health. These factors are massively more important as you age, but don't get me wrong, you can still keep a high metabolic rate even at higher ages. Metabolism myth number 2. Crash diets boost metabolism. Crash diets or extreme calorie restriction may initially lead to rapid weight loss indeed, but they can surely put a brake on your metabolism and greatly slow it down, meaning that they will lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and the commonly known rebound weight gain in the short to long term. Once you put the brakes on your metabolism with these types of diets, and it slows down, you are deeply damaging it, and this means that it will take a lot more time and effort to recover the full capability of your inner furnace. So, avoid this crash diets and extreme caloric restriction at all cost. Remember, you are the master of what you eat, and with this information you will be capable of making the right and healthier choices. You don't need to restrict too much calories, you just have to put your focus on a much healthier food plan and get your body to move more during each day. Metabolism myth number 3. Metabolism boosters are magic pills. While some supplements or foods may have some effects on metabolism, there's no magic pill that can dramatically speed up metabolism on its own. Sustainable changes in diet, exercise, and lifestyle are key to optimizing and revving up your metabolic function. Many people use meds to try to increase metabolic rate, and yeah, they have a heart-accelerating effect, but remember, there is always a price to pay, including side effects and heart problems. So, if you are trying to become the healthier version of yourself, it doesn't make sense to use these kinds of drugs. Instead, focus on a healthy diet, regular exercise and increasing body lean mass. Next, it is time that we discuss the best and most practical strategies that you can take advantage of to boost your metabolism. Once that we've gained the basic understandings of what your metabolism is and cleared up the most common myths, let's explore the best strategies to effectively rev up your metabolism. Metabolism boosting strategy number 1. Strength training. Incorporating strength training or resistance exercises into your fitness routine can help build lean muscle mass, which is metabolically active at all moments and burns more calories at rest, or as we said earlier in the video, while you do nothing, this compared to fatty tissue that burns very low to no energy. This boosting metabolic effect that muscle gain provides can also help maintain the desired weight, once you have reached your body weight goal. Metabolism boosting strategy number 2. High-intensity interval training. It is also known as HIIT. We have been talking about high-intensity interval training workouts before, They involve short bursts of intense exercise, like running at 90% of your total effort, followed by brief periods of rest or lower intensity exercise, like slowly walking. High-intensity interval training has been shown, in several studies, that it increases your metabolic rate and improves fat burning both during and after training. You can have high-intensity interval training routines that last between 20 to 30 minutes, 3 times a week. And alter these HIIT routines with zone 2 to 3 cardio levels to improve body composition, metabolism, and also for better cardiovascular health. Metabolism boosting strategy number 3. Eat enough good quality protein. Consuming an adequate to a high amount of protein is essential for building lean mass, maintaining muscle mass, supporting metabolism, aiding body repair and promoting the feelings of fullness that helps you to avoid overeating. Aim to include lean protein sources such as grass-fed grass-finished red meat cuts, chicken, turkey, wild-caught fish, organic tofu, and Greek yogurt in your meals. Also, using protein supplements like whey protein isolate or whey protein concentrate can help you to easily and quickly increase your protein intake to achieve your protein goals for the day. Metabolism boosting strategy number 4. Stay well hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for supporting metabolic function and optimizing energy levels, but remember to include electrolytes into the mix to keep your hydration status at optimal levels. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism and not only impair your physical performance, but also your cognitive functioning. Aim to drink water throughout the day and hydrate before, during, and after exercise. You can have your electrolytes during your training moments to maintain and improve physical performance. Metabolism boosting strategy number 5. Prioritize high-quality sleep. Good quality sleep is essential for your metabolic health, hormone regulation, body repair, insulin sensitivity and overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night and establish a consistent sleep schedule to support optimal metabolic function. It is very important to take advantage of sleep waves. A recommended time for going to bed would be between 10 and 11 p.m. So, start building your healthy sleeping habits as well. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, boosting your metabolism is so important to maintaining an adequate body weight and just a couple of choices away and within total reach. All you need to do is to take advantage of the right knowledge and strategies we provided you in this video, and start applying them into your daily habits. By incorporating regular strength training, high-intensity interval training workouts, adequate to high protein intake, good hydration, and high-quality sleep into your lifestyle habits, you can accelerate up your body's engine and unlock your full metabolic potential. Remember that your inner furnace is an essential part of maintaining a healthy body weight and health. Start taking care of it now. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health and well-being. Also leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with slow metabolism and how you got to rev it up. We love hearing from you. Your support helps us grow and create more empowering content for you every week. Until next time, remember to keep stoking the fire of your metabolism and embracing a vibrant, healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.